Today, we're making crispy salt and pepper tofu. This dish is spicy and crispy all in one bite, so let's get cooking. Dry out around 2 12-ounce extra firm tofu blocks using a piece of paper towel. Then dice into about half-inch cubes. Measure out about 1 cup of cornstarch and toss the tofu in the cornstarch until they are all fully coated. We'll go ahead and cut up 1 bunch of green onions and mince around 3 garlic cloves. We'll slice 1 jalapeno and then dice around 6 red sweet chili peppers. These really are just for color. We'll also slice 1 yellow onion. For our seasoning, measure out half a teaspoon of white pepper and 2 tablespoons of salt. In an air fryer set to 370 degrees Fahrenheit, spray the tofu with canola oil and let air fry for 20 minutes, making sure to vigorously shake every 5 minutes. We can then repeat this process in batches for the remaining tofu. Let's listen to how crispy this tofu really is. Now repeat the process for the rest of the tofu. We can also prep 4 cups of rice in the background. On a pan set to high heat, add our garlic and jalapenos. Then add our yellow onion and red sweet chili peppers. Lastly, we'll add our green onions. Set this aside and we'll quickly toss our tofu with the veggies. Don't do this too long, otherwise the tofu will get soggy. We'll add our seasoning and mix. Everything can then be portioned out. This crispy tofu dish is a nice break from the more common mapo tofu or soft tofu dishes. There's definitely some heat with the jalapenos, so be sure to remove this if you don't like spicy food. If we look at our cost breakdown, we can see that each serving costs around $1.60 to make. This is a great price for a quick and easy meal, or even just a snack. Let me know how it goes down in the comments below and what foods you want to see next.